Hello everyone, welcome back to the Mama Rick channel. Now, I've researched the XRP and Ripple ecosystem for a very long time. For the past, let's say 1 year, for the past 1 year maybe, I haven't focused, not 1 year, maybe 7 months, I haven't focused so much on the XRP and Ripple ecosystem because I've been focusing my energy on other things. But prior to that, since 2017, I was literally researching Ripple and the XRP ecosystem almost every single day, understanding. So the way my crypto journey started is that I started with Bitcoin, went in depth, read some books by Andreas Antonopoulos, then went on to Ethereum, started learning how to design some smart contracts. I never actually designed any real product, but I did many courses on that stuff. Then I became an EOS person. I went, how do you develop on EOS? I downloaded some helpful SDK tools, tried out how to develop smart contracts on EOS. So I've tried different ecosystems. I talk about Fetch. I've gone deep into the technical side of Fetch. Not that technical, but I participated in many of their test nets. I've run multiple agents, multiple autonomous agents, especially before Fetch went to the main net. So I try to have exposure to different projects that I talk about. What am I saying? Why am I saying this? Now, there is a company within the XRP ecosystem. I don't want to say Ripple is more like a centralized company that holds the biggest chunk of the XRP tokens out there. That's why they have a big say in everything. But when you look into Ethereum, most of the initial, the founders of the Ethereum network or the friends of the founders hold a ton of tokens. When you see Bitcoin, Satoshi Nakamoto owns 1 million Bitcoins. But I think the Ripple team is a bit more transparent about that. And if you're transparent about stuff like that, obviously you're going to be attacked. Similarly with Bitcoin's energy usage, it's not that much comparable to so many other things in the world, but however it's attacked because it's transparent and you can see it. Now, this video is not going to be investment advice. Actually, I'm not going to this product, they have a token, but I'm not going to go into that. This video is to help you guys do your own research, come to your own conclusions, then think about things. Think about things a certain way, then make your own decisions, because this is the type of research that I don't want to talk about because this is very personal research. I don't like talking about things that are quite personal when it comes to research, but it's good that I can make a disclaimer that this is not investment advice and that's not the focus. Now, TowoLabs. These guys are very connected to this platform that you see here. This is the XRP toolkit. There's many platforms I think I've done one video. I think there's something called the World Exchange. When you go to the World Exchange, you can create all kinds of IOUs on the XRP ledger and you can use them for whatever you want. Now, and the XRP Ripple ecosystem is massive. There's so much you can do with that ecosystem, but I want to focus on this. TowoLabs. We simplify crypto asset custody. TowoLabs develops secure crypto wallets and decentralized applications. We're also running public blockchain infrastructure. Check this out. I've been following these guys for a while. So as I told you, I've been doing research in the XRP ecosystem for quite a while. I've consumed quite a lot of information. So sometimes I want to drop out some of these nuggets because, why not? So our active blockchain project, we are focused on improving wallets and unlocking value together with our partners. By the way, guys, we're going through this together. I didn't read this prior. So Flare, but I know about it. That's why I didn't read through it. At least I know whatever information they want to give us. So Flare Network, those that don't know Flare Network, this is a network on the XRP ecosystem where a couple of months ago you could actually create an XRP wallet and pair that XRP wallet with an Ethereum address. Then after a while you're airdropped, or rather you're airdropped but you can't use them. You airdrop these tokens called Flare tokens. Now we know recently there was another airdrops of some Songbird tokens, but this is not, you can find a lot of information about that online. So Flare Network is trying to bring smart contracts, trying to expand the ecosystem of the XRP ledger. And that's why you're seeing here things like Litecoin and Dogecoin. There are certain tokens they want to bring onto the Flare finance. So as Flare develops, as Flare grows, they want to bring other tokens in the XRP ecosystems. That is their purpose in the sort of briefest way that I can talk about it. But there's YouTube channels like I think Flare community. You get a ton of information that you need about Flare, Songbird and whatnot. So these guys are wallet developers. They create utility tools that you can see the XRP toolkit and other things. TowoLabs develops utility tools for the Flare network as well, including a snapshot tool and a snapshot API for the XRP ledger utility fork. So we work together with existing wallet providers to ensure Flare network has proper wallet support from day one of the mainnet release. Oracle signal providers. We're Flare Oracle signal provider as well. So you can see that very much embedded, and you're going to see even other team members as well, providing robust and volume weighted price indices to the Flare network. web and mobile applications. TowoLabs develops various applications to interact with the Flare network to, for example, delegate Spark tokens, and that's what I explained earlier. So you can see there's these different hardware wallets that they support, Ledger, Nano S, Ledger X, and all that stuff. So there's the XRP toolkit. Now that's the thing we want to look at. What does this thing do? It manages multiple accounts. You can have multiple XRP wallets onto this XRP toolkit, and you can log in with different wallets. I like logging in with the Sum wallet. We shall look at that later. So it's a toolkit securely viewed and managed XRP Ledger accounts on wallets like the Sum wallet, that's the one I want to talk about, and Ledger devices. So access advanced features. Users can access advanced XRP Ledger features like trust lines, escrows, and account settings. So what trust lines means, eventually you can delegate a certain amount of tokens if you want to create a trust line between a centralized body that has created an IOU that's representing a value of a certain asset. Could be a US dollar, could be Bitcoin, Ethereum, whatever. So an exchange, for example, or any individual can create a trust line, and with this trust line they can basically, you lock a small amount of tokens if you want to interact with this trust line, and with that you can convert your XRP tokens into these other tokens being provided, and also vice versa. The trust line means that, hey, they're guaranteeing you that if you want to convert them back, we actually have the liquidity to do that. So in brief, that's what that means. So where was I? Testing, experimentation. The XRP Toolkit testnet version can be used to try out new and advanced XRP Ledger features. So they offer a lot of things. And here, escrows. What escrow means, this is something I'd forgotten. What escrow means is basically you can lock up your tokens for whatever time you want. 10 years, 5 years, 2 days, 1 hour, and you have completely no access. So you have to be careful with that feature. Now, these guys, they go a whole other level towards custodianship. This is their vault, deep under some mountain somewhere. So validator. TowoLabs is operating an XRP Ledger validator from Pionen, White Mountains, Stockholm, Sweden. So this is in the mountains. This is where they're operating their validator on the XRP Ledger. This is big. Full nodes. We're running full nodes to secure and support the public blockchains of Flare, Litecoin, and Dogecoin. And you can see partners: Flare Network, Ripple, XRP Labs created by Vitsavind. And you can see some of the team members. Of course, you can read about that. Advisors, founder of XRP Labs and board member of the XRP Ledger Foundation. This guy right here, this name, Vitsavind, this guy is an OG. This guy is a rock star in the XRP ecosystem. In case you've never heard about him, he's the creator of the Sum wallet, that amazing application that you can use to interact with the XRP Ledger. He's created the XRP Labs, so that's something you can check out if you want more information about that. And when you come to XRP Labs, you can actually get more information about the Sum wallet. You can see the team members. You can see official channels, XRP Labs, XRP Sum wallet. He's also created a card that you can use to interact, like a sort of shaped like a bank card that you can use to interact with them. But so TowoLabs, that's essentially it. They're validators, they're custodians, and they collaborate. They've created this amazing platform that you can actually use to interact with the XRP ecosystem. Now, you can connect this to this platform in various ways. One of them, I'm pulling up my Sum wallet on my phone. So you can log in with a Ledger device with a Kobo Vault, Descent wallet, Sum app, and address. But of course, the Sum app is the sweet thing. It's the perfect option for something like this. So let me load up my full access address here. Okay, let's go. So what you want to do, you want to go to Sum app, connect here. This platform has existed for quite a while, guys. It just keeps getting better and it keeps getting improved. Then you click the button, scan QR code. Let me scan the QR code. I'm in, accept. Type in my password. Of course, I'm doing this stuff all on my phone, and then it opens because I've logged in with my XRP account. Voila, magic. So this shows a few XRP tokens that I have. Guys, I said I've been researching XRP for many years, 4 years or so, but I used to accumulate XRP, but then I cashed out some of the XRP to buy other tokens, which was a good investment decision, but I keep some little XRP for just in case. So you see in this particular address, I don't have that much XRP, just 1,400 XRP. It's the first time I've talked about any amount of crypto assets that I hold. So yeah, but it doesn't matter. It's not that much. So usually, you're supposed to see a Flare address here. So you see, this is the address that I actually linked with my Flare wallet, and there's a Spark claim here. So at the time I was holding these tokens, there was that Spark claim, and you see my Spark tokens here. But what's interesting now, these guys, they actually have a token. So anyway, on this platform, you can send and receive tokens. You can see details about your account here. You can see other things like the assets that you own, the liabilities, signers, properties, whatever. So you can explore. So the point of this video, guys, go explore. If you're seeing some currencies here, actually, this is very convenient. You see this USDC Bitstamp. This is a trust line I set up a long while ago with Bitstamp. So they have a limit of the amount of tokens that can be active, that can be used within this trust line. And you can see I also bought some of their tokens a while back. So I just have 1,034 tokens of these people. Now, and then you see this UGX here, 5,000 balance. This was a token to mimic a fiat currency that I created. I created this in like 3 seconds, and you see the trust line is still active. The only thing that's missing is someone trading it there, but it's actually on the XRP ledger. And guess what? I can always delete it or create even a limit of how many tokens can be interacted with. And you can do this with the XRP toolkit. You can also use something called the World Exchange. I think that's it, if I can find it. Yeah, the World Exchange. I did a video about this, how you can use this to interact with XRP ledger in a very, very nice way. But guys, the point of this video is that go do your own research, dig into these TowoLabs, and find whether it's worthwhile to actually maybe purchase their tokens. This is not investment advice. So if I were you, maybe I purchase $5 worth of these tokens. I wouldn't go crazy with my money. So I'll give you a clue. You can see you can send, receive, you can also trade. Now, this is where you want to explore. There's not that many pairs. You can trade XRP depending on what is being shown. Here, it's, trust line. You can switch whatever. You guys come and explore. Then you can see this is a decentralized exchange of the XRP ledger. You can come see what tokens are being traded at what prices, and just come and do your own research and find out ways of how to at least look at these tokens and what they do. They don't really have a utility right now. And actually, I think somewhere they talk about them. Obviously, it's sort of a disclaimer. This is the World Exchange for those that want to take a look at it. Here you can interact, create your own tokens, whatever. Go all out on the XRP ecosystem. Let me see. I thought I'd opened that up. There's somewhere where they actually talk about their tokens as a kind of like a disclaimer. So guys, you can go there, explore. I'm not going to give more details about that. This particular video is about you guys to go do your own research and find out more and try to wrap your head around this particular platform and these guys, TowoLabs, their XRP toolkit, and try to find out where you want to go with this direction. But when you come to the home of the website where there's the documentation, you can get more details about that. There's this part where they say tokens. So the Kudos utility token. To encourage user engagement in the XRP toolkit, we are using the utility and loyalty token Kudos, or XTK, for gamification, rewards, and discounts. So XTK is freely transferable and tradable on the XRP ledger like other tokens on the decentralized exchange, meaning you can send it to other users or trade it against other tokens. The issuing account has been permanently locked. So remember how I told you that you can actually delete these tokens? So these guys have actually permanently locked them. You can never freeze any XTK holder or issue more tokens. Not investment advice. Token name, Kudos, XTK. Issuing account, you can prove this is the issuing account. Total supply, only 100 million. How to get XTK? You can receive XTK tokens by participating in reward programs, bounty campaigns, or test new features. You can also acquire XTK from other users. Please note that we will never publish giveaways in social media, send you emails, or ask you to send us any crypto assets. Active rewards, last updated. An automated reward bot is distributing small amounts of XTK for certain activities on the XRP toolkit and the XRP ledger. See all activities rewards below. So guys, you can see you can actually participate and earn XTK tokens without actually investing, putting your money in there. All XRP ledger accounts created before 2020 all XRP ledger accounts created before 2020 June 30th with an active trust line for XTK are eligible for rewards. And so, legal disclaimer, the information provided on this website does not constitute investment advice, financial advice, whatever. It's the same thing I'm saying. So guys, this is all I want to talk about in this video. It's just one of those research nuggets that, that's locked up in my head that I thought, hey, why not put it out there in the world and let people go on their own research path. Hope you learned something. Hope you're excited to find out more about this. Regardless of your opinions about repo, the XRP ecosystem is still sufficiently decentralized, one of the first blockchains to ever exist. So guys, I think this is something worth looking into. This is, I think, a very solid company. All right, guys, take care. Hope you learned something. I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.